Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Nick from Therapit, and today I will walk you through how we manage CNC machining orders to guarantee high quality production and on-time delivery. If you are curious about what happens behind the scenes when you place an order with us, stay tuned. Let's dive right in. Receiving and analyzing customer files. The first step starts when we receive your 3D models and 2D drawings. Our engineering team carefully analyzes the design and create a dedicated project folder. This folder stores design data, your original files, DFM, designed for manufacturing analysis to optimize the part for production, revision records, any design changes made along the way, processing instructions to ensure clear communication between teams. With this system, we maintain full traceability from design to final production. Real-time production tracking. Once production begins, we use our internal tracking system to monitor progress in real time. This helps us stay on schedule and ensure on-time delivery. If a customer requests a design change, like adjusting the thickness from 2 mm to 3 mm, our engineering and the quality control teams will review and approve the update before proceeding. This ensures that every modification is correctly implemented without affecting the final product quality, handling and preventing defects. While defects are rare, we take every issue seriously. If a problem arises, we immediately log it into a manufacturing defect report, analyze the root cause in the team meeting, apply corrective actions to prevent it from happening again. We even post these reports in the production area so our entire team can learn from them and continuously improve quality. Ensuring surface quality. For surface quality, we use high-precision colorimeters to check painted or anodized parts. Our goal, keeping color variations within delta E less than or equal to 2.0, so there are no visible color mismatches. For precision machine parts requiring an ultra-smooth finish, which is RA less than or equal to 0.8 micrometers, we apply polishing or chemical treatments to meet the highest standards. The result? Flawless finishes that look as good as they perform. Final inspection and documentation. Before shipping, our final inspection team carefully checks every order. We take high-resolution photos of each product, verify dimensions and surface quality, document everything for traceability. This ensures that every part meets your expectation before it leaves our facility.
I hope this gave you a better understanding of how we manage CNC machining orders and maintain high quality. If you are looking for reliable CNC machining service, contact us today for a free quote. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more industrial insights. See you in the next video.